When you blame others, you give up the power to change, says Robert Anthony.
Hello, I am Shweta Notyal, a life coach, a soft skills trainer, genetic brain profiling consultant, and a counselor.
Hi, this is Subhatra from Chennai. I'm an entrepreneur.
Hi all, this is Nandini from Singapore.
I attended Own Your Inner Power program in Feb 2021. With this program, I expanded my awareness of my own emotions and learned to manage these emotions with the concept of self worthiness, self image, self love.
Own your inner power. I was part of this beautiful program by Ganesh Kumar from EQ Universe, and I really had a lot of breakthroughs where my journey of self love and realizing my inner child has already begun.
The program actually happens every weekend for a month, and we had a lot of breakthroughs through each weekend, and we had a lot of time working on ourselves each week.
It was a group program. There were like 13, 14 participants. So we also get a lot of learnings from other people's experiences. The group energy was so good.
The workshop itself is so magical. He provides you with certain tools and techniques that are going to be with you for the life. And what else can an individual want?
I could know my own limiting beliefs, which are holding me from moving ahead in life. And you are the best person to break those limiting beliefs in such a easy and effective way.
It was very, very transformational, and myself and even my family members could see the amazing changes I'm going through in terms of my emotions, how I'm handling it, my behavior, my reaction towards the incidents that take place at home, or how I could able to control my anger, which was one of the issues for me.
So the top takeaways are like, all the answers are within. So you have to work on yourself. So once you do that, everything, you have all the answers within. So you don't have to look around for anything. So that's the whole thing. So it made me realize a lot of things. And it helped me to connect to my inner child.
This was a program that really, it was like a curtain opening for me of what my pain is, how to acknowledge my pain, how to really accept, yes, that is a pain, and not run away from it or avoid the pain. Only when I accept and acknowledge the pain is when I'm actually taking the power on me rather than putting the blame on others.
The learnings from Own Your Inner Power program helped me to have harmonious relationship with my immediate family and extended family.
Towards the end of the program, I could see how I can love myself in spite of all the insecurities I have. And even my insecurities, they became so small, and I literally became a happy person. The transformation was so real, it just happens before your eyes, and at the end it was this new whole person in front of you, and you just can't believe that's
Very enlightening journey, and I'm very happy to be part of this.
Every day, every single day, even till now, there are changes and there are good things coming, and I'm just equipped in a better manner how to handle things, and how, whether it is with my health or my relationship with my daughter or my work, the experience every day has been like amazing. It's magnificent. It is magical.
I'm going to use all these learnings now to connect with my bigger purpose, and I'm going to grow with my business and career after having harmonious relationship with the family.
I didn't know how to get there, how to get aligned, how to get calm, how to get back my balance, but this program has actually helped me to do that. So I would recommend this inner power program for anybody who feels like you feel restless and things are not going right, or you don't feel a balance, then probably it's time that you work on yourself. That's the way to go.
If I had the ability, if I can go to every individual and tell them that you must attend something like this, then it is Own Your Inner Power by Ganesh sir.
If you are one of the person maybe thinking if you should attend this program or not, I would like 100% say please attend this program. It will change your life for sure.
Fantastically curated program. I am really thankful and very grateful to Ganesh Kumar for conducting and creating this program, which is going to be a transformational impact on many people. And this is the need of the hour.